Hey everyone, this is Larry. Welcome back to Today I Feel Like. Today we are going to take a look at the Basecamp 4D designed face mask. They have a whole bunch of different types of face masks, with most of them having the exhalation valves in there because they were designed for sports or for dust protection, doing other things. But when COVID came along, they made a 4D design without the escalation valve on there. Escalation valve. I could always have trouble with that word. Anyways, I have one today. I'm going to unpackage it, try it on, see how it fits, how it feels, and here we go. All right, before we jump into this, I just want to share this, and that is that Basecamp actually sent me a handwritten letter. It is like 2 full pages, and I just thought that was very cool. It's not very often that someone sends along a handwritten letter talking about their company and what they do and their products they make. So yeah, I just wanted to share that right quick. Very cool. All right, let's take a look at the mask here. We can see this is a cloth mask. It says non-medical, not for use in a clinical setting or high infection risk environment. It says this is a 4D design, breathable and comfortable to wear longer, soft texture and more comfortable. 3-layer protection design, adjustable nose clip, built-in filter pocket, filter not included, and then it says one size fits most, a variety of colors for choice, and washable and reusable. So, all right, and there we go. We can see it says built-in pocket for filter inserting multi-protection. So, and if we look on the back here, we can see how this is going to fit. And it says for a large size face or regular size face or for a small size face. And you can get an idea of how this is going to fit on your face. So there's also some care instructions, or it says wash in lukewarm water. It says gentle hand wash, soak in lukewarm water with gentle detergent, soap for washing, rinse in clean water, do not tumble dry or dry clean, do not rub or brush or wring, and do not use antiseptic or detergents or bleach. So, all right. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up here so we can see what it's going to actually look like. Oh, look at that. There's 3 of them in here. I was not expecting that. I thought there was only going to be 1, but there's actually 3 of them in here. Very, very cool. All right. Well, let's see. Let's go. We have red, blue, and green. Let's go with the green. We'll try the green one. So here we have it. We can see a couple things that are nice about it. One, they actually put the left and the right on there, so you know exactly which way it's supposed to be. That way you don't have to worry about this is upside down or whatever. You know which side is the correct side. We also get these ear loops on here that have the little cinches on there so that we can cinch these up tight or loosen them up here. And it looks like they have the little pocket that's the kind of fold-up thing that goes over your nose and under your chin. And there is, this right here is moldable, so it will fit on your nose nicely. So now inside here, you do see they do have the insert where you can put a filter in there if you want. So that'll go right in there. So, all right, let's go ahead and try this thing on and see how it fits. So let's go ahead and, I don't have a filter on there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on just like it is and see how this is gonna fit. This is gonna go under my chin there. This is gonna go over my nose, and then we're going to put this just like that. And yeah, and now I can put this down over my nose so it fits tighter. And oh yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. This might be my new go-to filter. My new go-to mask. I like the way this fits. It just feels like it really covers your whole face like that. I really, really like this design. I mean, a lot. That feels like it has a lot of coverage on there. Like it's really, really covering you up so nothing's getting in there. And it feels nice and snug around here, but not so much that it's becoming problemsome. So yeah. All right. What do you think? How do you like it? I think it looks pretty good. I'm enjoying it so far. All right. Well, there is one thing that I want to try, and I'm talking a little bit now, but I want to go outside and just walk and talk with it a little bit and see what it feels like when I'm walking and talking. So let's take it outside and see how it's going to work. All right, everyone, I am out here and walking and testing the mask out, and I have to say, I'm in love with this mask. Wow, I had no idea this thing was going to be really this nice. It is absolutely incredible. The only thing is, I wish it was made, like the fabric was made out of like a mesh material, so that it was a little bit softer. It's sort of like a canvas material, which does work, but it's a little bit, it's just a little bit rough. Not really, but I felt softer, and I wish it was a little bit softer. But I have to say that as far as the coverage, it just makes me feel like my whole face is covered in just a blanket of security. I really love this mask. I can say that this is one of my favorites that I've tested so far. Now, the only other thing that I really wish was different about this mask is I wish that it was machine washable, because they do say you need to wash this by hand and just let it air dry. You can't wring it out or anything like that. So I really wish that they have a mask with this same design with maybe a little bit softer material like mesh or something, and it was machine washable. Now, I know it's a big ask, it's probably not possible, but that's what I would really like, because then I can just grab these, throw them in the wash, don't have to think about them, and grab them and put them back on. So, but even without that, I've gotten used to hand washing my mask, and I'm going to be washing this one as well and using it on a regular basis. All right, everyone, so there we have it. That is it. That is a look at the Basecamp 4D design face mask, and yeah, I'm wearing it right now. I still have my sunglasses on because I wanted to point out that these things fit so well and they don't fog your glasses up. So, you know, I went from indoors to outdoors to back indoors, and I'm getting no fogging at all. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm loving this mask. This is right now one of my favorite face masks, and it is definitely going into regular rotation. I only have a couple of masks that I wear on a regular basis. I like a number of them, but there's a couple of them that I really like the most. This is going into rotation immediately. I love this mask. So yeah, anyways, there you have it. I'm gonna leave a link to this product down below in the video description so that you can check it out. I'm also gonna leave links to my Amazon page and my social media contacts so you can reach me elsewhere. And I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram. And I am Larry with Today I Feel Like. Thanks for coming back to see me. Come back and see me soon. And until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. Peace.